stop time to feel alive. We're chasing that.
Baby love, Rafa, happy 7th birthday. I know you are very smart girl. Always remember that you're so kind, to be humble, happy, and always respect your parents.
Underneath the sun.
Okay, we would like to welcome you here at the birthday party of Rafa. Let's give a round of applause to the birthday girl.
Underneath the sun.
Anong unang kita ko kay Rafa, lahat nung pain, lahat nung hirap, nung labor, during pregnancy and everything, nawala lahat yon, napalitan lahat ng love nung nakita ko siya. Although, kamukha rin niya kasi yung daddy niya paglabas. Nag-grow up naman siya ng super duper ganda ngayon.
Naiyak ako syempre. Kasi una-una, first baby ko eh. So parang iba-iba yung pakiramdam. Very surreal, very different. Nakakaiyak na first time na pinaramdam niya sa akin na daddy na ako. Iba yung pakiramdam talaga. Bittersweet kasi una-una gusto ko siyang lumaki pero ayaw ko rin. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung mararamdaman ko pero hopefully forever baby siya. Hanggang mag-work siya, sana baby ko pa rin siya.
Hi Rafa! Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal ka ni Mommy and Daddy and ni Baby Cassie. We are so proud kung ano ka na ngayon, kung paano ka na-grow up. And we are excited to see kung ano pa yung mararating mo. Alam mo namang kahit ano ibibigay namin sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Rafa.
Binigay lahat ni daddy sa'yo, lahat ng kaya niya. Hanggang abot na aking makakaya, daddy gave her best to you. Sana ma-appreciate mo paglaki mo. And mahal na mahal ka ni daddy.
Happy birthday, Rafa! We love you very, very much.
Check this out. Crisp like an apple, colorful, natural, and I know I do it right. Just like a daydream, nothing like you ever seen. And I know what you like. Spin round like ring around the rosy. I got a bucket full of gold. I think you're gonna like what you see. It all starts now. So check this out. You gotta see it's all about now. So check this out. You gotta watch it now.
Happy birthday!
Got to check it out. You gotta check it out. So check this out. You gotta check it out. So check this out. You gotta see it's all about now. So check this out. You gotta watch it now. You really got to check it out.